Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't yet joined the Linera Airdrop, you still have a chance to participate in their testnet too. Linera is a layer 1 blockchain using microchains for scalable, low latency Web3 applications. As you can see, they've raised $12 million in funding and are marked as a confirmed airdrop, so you shouldn't miss this. If you look at their investors, you can see some tier 1, 2 and 3 investors backing them. And if you visit their X handle, you'll notice they have 441k followers at the time of making this video. They're really active there, sharing all the updates and information, which is another positive sign to join their airdrop. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on to how you can join their airdrop. I'll provide the Telegram post link in the description, so click that link and you'll land on this page. Click here to log in. Then you can enter your email and password to join, but I'd recommend clicking continue with Google to sign up quickly. After that, click this profile icon, then click settings. As you can see, there are lots of options to connect your social media. You need to connect all of them, especially Twitter and Discord. So let's connect the X account. Click authorize app. Now connect Telegram. Accept. And it's done. Make sure to join all the platforms possible for you. Now click here on enter drop. Here you need to connect your Discord. Click connect. Then authorize. Click join the server. And then accept invite. Select yes, then choose anything here. For example, I'll select creator. You can skip this next part and click finish. To complete this task, you need to join their guild. Click this link. Here you need to connect your wallet. As you can see, there are some social media accounts you need to connect. Now click join guild. And it's done. Keep in mind you need at least $2 worth of Ethereum in your wallet to join. To get the role, click here on Discord. Then accept the invite. Go back to the task page and click submit. As you can see, it's complete. Next, you need to open Twitter. Repost. And then give a like. Then here, write something in comment. And click submit. and it's done. Next, you need to copy this tag and hashtag into your post and share it on Twitter. For example, I'll make a tweet here. After the tweet, copy the URL and paste it here, then click submit and it's done. Similarly, add this tag, post another tweet, copy the URL, paste it here and submit and it's done. You can also share this link with friends to boost your points. That's it for this video. I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.